and transparent communication. At ARTiculate, we have a learning model. We believe that every person that walks into a room, and three things show up immediately: your message, your voice, verbal, and your nonverbals. We don't often think about how our values and the sound of our voice connect. Our voice connects to emotion and it lands out here. What patterns, what code habits could I be using as a coach that's landing on my client in a way that I would like it to land differently? And we bring the science of communication together with the art. Power of alignment. We want to look at how everything is coming together. What happens when we get into that realm of how do I communicate in a certain situation where my values, my self-management is being put to the test with my client? Trust is one of those essential elements. It can happen quickly or it can happen over time. Those things that we didn't expect. And a few of those that we all deal with, whether we're in corporate or we're working for ourselves, is our personality. Personality has a voice.